In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload videos like I do. It's very easy, and all you need to download is InShot editing app. So go in the App Store and download that, and YouTube Studio. Alright, first, if you record a video on your phone, then this is going to be really easy. But if you're, say, doing a gaming video, say you're on PlayStation, or if you're on Xbox, you can upload it to YouTube directly from Xbox. There's an option. I know there's an option on PlayStation, so if you're on PlayStation, you do that. You want to upload it to YouTube privately, and then when you're in YouTube, let me just go into YouTube, and then you go to like manage videos, and like you see like this one's private. You're gonna want to screen record this video, so you're gonna want to go into the video, and you're gonna want to screen record it. If you don't already have screen recorder on your phone, which is exactly what I'm using right now because I won't be recording this, then download a screen recorder. Alright, so I can't find the screen recorder on my phone, so you might already have it. All you need to do is, it should be like the little red thing that's flashing. If it's not there, you gotta just download one. It'll be really simple and easy. So once you screen record that, then you pretty much have it in your photos. The same thing as if you record your video on your phone. But if you're just starting off YouTube, I would recommend not buying a camera if you're thinking about it. If you already bought one, that's fine, because your phone camera is probably good enough to start out at least, and it's very easy. Because when you have a camera, you gotta upload it to your computer, and then once you upload that to your computer, you wanna send an email to yourself so you have it on your phone. I mean, you could just do it on your computer too, but the way that I'm doing it right now is on my phone. It's a lot easier. Alright, so once you have your video and it's in your camera roll, what you're gonna want to do next is, after you download InShot, this is the editing program on your phone. It's really good and it's really easy to use. It's like the best editing program you can use on your phone easily. So you just want to create a new one and then just use any video that you want. It's very simple. I'm gonna be posting a video after this one on how to use InShot. So if you want to see how to use InShot, then subscribe so you don't miss it. When you're done, all you just do is go in the top right corner with a little arrow pointing up, and then you press save, whatever resolution you want, and frame rate, and you just draft it. But yeah, that's really easy. That'll be in my next video showing you how to use InShot. Should be able to get the hang of it easily, and they have a lot of features too, but they make it really easy, so it's really cool. But when you're done with that, it will upload into your camera roll, and then once you have your finalized video into your camera roll, then you're gonna want to upload it into YouTube. And how you do that is you just press the blue plus with the circle around it. I would recommend, if you have a video that's under 60 seconds, I would recommend making it a short, because it has a higher chance of getting more views. Just upload video and then pick your video.
Tell me his name again.
Every time you want to upload something, do it privately first, because there's a lot more settings in YouTube Studio, which if you haven't downloaded yet, download that. Upload it privately, and it'll say that you're uploading your video right there. It's processing. But let's go out of YouTube for now. YouTube Studio. So this is the video right here. You can see it. Alright, so if you press the little like pencil at the top, then you can add a description. And then I always put in tags, which, say your video is like about like LeBron James's best shot of all time, or best dunk of all time, then I would like probably put tags around like best dunk of all time, LeBron James shot, just LeBron James, like a bunch of different tags. You can put in as many as you want, I think. I don't think there's a limit. I usually put around like 10. So I don't think they help too much, but I'm not too sure, so I put them in anyways. When you're in settings here, you can change the category up here. One of the most important things, in my opinion, is the thumbnail. And that you can only do from YouTube Studio. I think everything else you can pretty much just do from YouTube. It's the little picture with the plus at the top left corner, right under the pencil. And then you can choose a custom thumbnail. There's Bobo at the bottom, if you see him. So yeah, you just choose a custom thumbnail. Here's one of the things I forgot. If you want to make your own thumbnail on your phone, you're gonna want to download Canva. It's right here. So once you download Canva, if you want to make your own, I'm just gonna show you how to use it pretty quickly. So there's a free version, which is what I have, and then there's Canva Pro down here. I wouldn't really bother buying it. It's pretty expensive, I feel like. I mean, even though I use this a lot. So just search up YouTube thumbnail so you have the right dimensions. And then you can pick one of the presets. I usually pick blank. And then I usually just go to my camera roll and pick out something I already have. So say your video is like, you know, LeBron, then I would just get some sort of picture of LeBron, and then you could just put text. So let me get this picture of Bobo real quick. Here is Bobo. Alright, so what we can do here is have a little part on the right. I can make the background color anything, and it shows like photo colors right here. There's colors that are already in the photo. Just make it blue. I mean, you can do a good amount of stuff with this. And then there's elements right here. You can search up whatever. Like I searched up like text box over there. You can search up like basketball, and that is pretty much what my whole channel is related to. They have a good amount of things. You see the things with Pro, you can't really use them. You have to actually buy it. You can use this for more than thumbnails. You can technically use it for video editing. It's kind of difficult to use for video editing. Text is the biggest part. So these are the ones that I recently used. It just shows you different fonts. So let's just do this one, I guess. Bobo. And by the way, you see how it's like stopping with the text, and it's not like, if I try to put it in the exact spot I want, it'll just like keep moving weirdly because it's aligned with some sort of like photo or image or something. So if you want to put it in an exact place, you just want to go over to nudge, and then you can like nudge it up. If you hold it, you can just press it too. So you can just do it like this. That's really about it with this. And colors, the text, this font size, formatting, spacing. All there really is left is effects. So there's all these, pretty cool. Alright, this is just the last thumbnail I made at this point in time. So if you go to the top, it's the arrow pointing down. You want to press that. It's going to prepare your design. And it pretty much just put it into your camera roll. It's probably going to ask you though when you do it your first time if it can use your camera roll. So when you got that, you can close out Canva, and then custom thumbnail. Use that one. Put in your own description. And then once you're really ready, you can make it public, or you can schedule it for a certain time. Yeah, then you want to save that, and you pretty much have your video uploaded. It's pretty easy how to do it on your phone. You can still do it with a quality video too. So the video with how to use InShot will be out tomorrow. If you are not good at editing, or you're just a beginner, or you're like decent at editing, I would definitely still watch it, because if you look at some of my recent edits, you can do a lot with InShot. So subscribe so you don't miss that video, and stay tuned for more. Goodbye.